Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Our next story takes us here to the Augusta, Georgia area, home to a lot of people who enjoy the game of golf. But you know, the greatest thing about golf to me is just getting out and enjoying the open air and natural settings like this. And it follows the golf industry is also interested in ways to, well, keep environments like this as clean and pollution-free as possible, as you're about to see. Developers and golf course owners alike are doing their part to fight climate change these days, and it's a huge project. There are almost 40,000 golf courses around the globe in 209 countries. More than 500 million rounds were played on U.S. courses alone in 2020. With the typical golf car completing over 200 rounds of golf annually, sustainable golf communities like this one are working to conserve water and energy and protect our environment. One focus is to have golfers drive greener golf cars, like this one. It's powered by the lithium-ion battery, which makes it much lighter and more sustainable. A better option than the traditional lead-acid battery. E-Z-GO in Augusta, Georgia is a leading global manufacturer of golf cars. With tens of thousands of golf cars built each year, it's been producing electric vehicles since 1954 and has a legacy of innovating new technology like lithium-ion batteries that continues today.
There are tremendous benefits to operators by transitioning to lithium. One of the biggest benefits is the reduction in weight of the vehicle. So by converting from lead acid to lithium, it's just much friendlier to the turf and the topography for superintendents and golf operators. Today we give them a vehicle in lithium that's going to last for the entire life of the vehicle, which is it's better for our relationship with the customer, better for the environment, and better for the game of golf.
An E-Z-GO Elite will come in 275 pounds lighter than with a lead acid. And when you have beautiful fields like this with manicured lawns, 275 pounds is a big difference. So now you can take the cart out on the field without destroying this beautiful grass.
E-Z-GO golf cars are made by Textron Specialized Vehicles, a subsidiary of Fortune 500 company Textron Incorporated.
We are in our battery lab, and this is where we test all our batteries. As you can see, we've got a lead-acid battery, some of our older technology here for comparison against our exceptional elite lithium-ion battery technology. These batteries have a longer lifespan, which leads to overall reduced environmental waste. For instance, over the course of the life of one 50-pound elite lithium battery, one would have to recycle over 1,000 pounds of lead-acid batteries. I am so excited about the energy efficiency of these batteries. Our elite vehicles have saved enough energy to power 3,500 homes a year, and that's just compared to our own already industry-leading, previously lead-acid RXV. Overall, the innovations I'm seeing in the golf industry, and specifically within E-Z-GO, are leading to options for a better, healthier planet, which is something that I'm always going to be excited about.
The battery manufacturer, Samsung SDI, says this new technology is making golf courses greener and specialized electric vehicles more sustainable.
Our Samsung SDI Generation 2 Elite Lithium battery is very, very environmentally friendly. We really wanted to develop a solution that was targeted at the golf industry.
And today it's not just golf courses benefiting environmentally from lithium-ion technology. It's the surrounding communities as well.
It not only is designed around the golf sector, but the technology is so versatile, and E-Z-GO has done such a good job of deploying it that it can be used in other applications like beach towns, condo communities, or even shopping centers.
The journey is part of the enjoyment. Really, any community that has an amenity that you could drive to within 3 or 4 miles golf cars have taken over as a way of life. We see it as a growing trend within the United States.
At Textron Specialized Vehicles, we're really excited to be on this journey with lithium. We believe that the future is green and that we have it within our grasp to get there over the next few years.
Now I'm in the mood to go play 9, or what the heck, maybe the whole 18, so I can enjoy the whole beautiful course. When I'm enjoying one of these new technology EVs, I feel a lot better about taking the whole afternoon off. Don't tell the boss, by the way.